Okay, so I'm back on my GS again, leaving Harley back home and taking this bike today. Alright, so we have reached Motorcycle Mall in New Jersey. So this is the Suzuki demo truck. They have all the bikes for demo here. I see the Hayabusa as well. So this is 2021 brand new Hayabusa, 3rd generation, white and blue color. There are like 3 or 4 Hayabusa here, and this is the white color that I like the most, and luckily I got this color for a test ride. Looks like we're going on a highway now. So I really want to get this bike one day. I don't know when will that day come, but one day I'll get this bike. Wow, this is fun. अमन कैसा लग रहा है स्कूटर चला के? So we are done with the Suzuki demo ride even. Now it's the time to go to BMW. Second test drive of the day, that is BMW R18. So it was an amazing day today, beautiful ride. I'm back to home.